This is an authentic sambar done in every South Indian home. And I am Sujata from Sujan Fun Kitchen. The sambar powder ingredients are 1 teaspoon of chana dal, half teaspoon of urad dal, and then quarter teaspoon of methi seeds, and 4.5 teaspoons of Daniya, and I have taken 6 red chillies. This is quarter teaspoon of methi seeds. Yes, so these are the ingredients. So these are 6 red chillies. So roast them in a bit of oil. These are the sambar ingredients. Heat a teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon of refined oil and add the chana dal and the urad dal and keep the flame at the medium, if not at the lowest. Okay, so it roasts uniformly and that gives the flavor to the sambar. So that's very important. Roast them patiently, okay, over medium flame. Finally add the red chilies. Just toss them till they are lightly roasted. And then when everything turns golden, switch off the flame, and now it's time to add half a cup of coconut powder. I have desiccated coconut. You can add fresh coconut too. I have desiccated coconut powder. So I'm adding it. Remember to switch off the flame while you add the coconut. Yeah, let everything cool down. Then we can take it for grinding. Now let's go to the vegetables. Today I'm using drumsticks and lima beans, or it's called moche in Tamil. So boil water and add the vegetables as required. I'm adding frozen lima beans because I'm in Dallas. You could add fresh also. So these are frozen drumstick and lima beans. I added turmeric powder too with the vegetables. So these are some of the spots around Dallas, around our home Claremont. So doesn't it look beautiful? Yes. So now let's see the ground sambar powder. Yeah, it's not a fine powder, just a bit coarse. Yeah, so keep this powder aside while we go to check the vegetables. See, the vegetables are almost done. Yes, 3/4 cooked. And now it's time to add tamarind water. I'm adding tamarind paste. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste. You could take 1 small lemon soaked in 1 or 1.5 cups of water and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste into the 3/4 boiled vegetables. Allow everything to come together. Yes, and I have added salt, and I think the clipping of it is missing over here. So let everything cook well together. Meanwhile, my tur dal is boiling. 1 cup of tur dal in the Insta pot, this magic pot. Pressure cooked my tur dal, so it's boiled. 1 cup of tur dal, boiled softly. Yes, I boiled it with turmeric. So it's ready to go into the vegetables. Once the vegetables and tamarind are cooked together, let's add the tur dal, cooked tur dal. Yes, as you can see, the sambar mix has thickened a bit. Yes, and now add the mashed cooked tur dal into the tamarind water plus the vegetables. And now in goes the sambar powder that you freshly ground. Yes, amazing. The kitchen is filled with aromas of the authentic sambar. Yes, let everything cook together. Yes. And now this is asafoetida. I always like to add my asafoetida at the end so that the smell is retained in the sambar. Yes, and now it's time to do our tadka. It's good to use ghee, but you could use ghee and refined oil. So this is ghee. Since I'm making a video, I'm using ghee. You can definitely use oil. So in goes 1 teaspoon of mustard, and then just for the spice level add 1 red chillies. That's also optional. Let the mustard crackle and then you add the red chilli. Yes, just 1 red chilli. If you want, you can add more. Yes, so now this tadka or this tempering is ready to go into the sizzling sambar, authentic sambar. Yes. So in goes the mustard tadka into the authentic sambar, and now the sambar, delicious sambar, is ready to combine with either rice or with idli or dosa or vada. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your invaluable comments after watching the video, please. And as always, have fun cooking. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video.